What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bryan and today I'm going to teach you the choreography that I made to the song called SEñORITA. This is not the SEñORITA sing by Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello. This is a SEñORITA sing by VAV. VAV is Korean pop song. So let's start. Alright, let's start from this one. So, open the legs. You gotta cross your legs together like 1, 2. Alright, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, then 3, 4. 2 counts. 3, 4, then down. 5, 6, 7, close, and 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, more change. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Next, you're gonna go from 1, close on 2, up 3, and 4. One more time. 6, 7, and 1, 3, and 4. So you use your hips, 3 and a 4. Then we'll change, scoop. 5, 6, go 7, 8. One more time. Okay? 5, 6, 7, and again 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Scoop. 6, 7, and 8. Okay, next, you're gonna move back a little bit. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn, and 8. So while doing that, your arms is going like this. That's right. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, double, 6, turn around, 8. Good. Next, you're gonna go back. Hips, 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 stay, and tap. One more time. 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Lift on 5, 6, close 7, drop on 8. Let's do faster. 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, and 4, go 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's pick up from here. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, close 7, drop on 8. Next, you're gonna go up on 1.2, down 3, close on 4. Step your left, step your right, lift your left to the front, 7, 10, and 8. That's right. 5, 6, 7, and 1.2, lower 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good job. Next, we're gonna point 1 and 2. Double. 3, close, 4. Side. 5, 6, 7, and close on 8. One more time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step. 5, 6, 7, kick, and 8. That's it. Let's start from the beginning. All of it. Ready? On my count, on 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, up, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, drop 8, 1, point, lower 2, left, right up, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, kick down. Good job. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.